Look, I just printed this bird. It's one of those like bird whistle things. It's really late, but I do want to hear it, so I'm gonna block my door and just see what it sounds like. I know. Okay, door's blocked, so it's got water in it. Hopefully it sounds okay. Oh. Okay, I gotta wait until the morning, but look, cat in the meantime. Okay, so it's the next morning, clearly, and I mean, maybe I didn't put enough water in it. Hold on. Okay, there's water, more water in it. It leaks because it's made of plastic, so it's kind of hard to... It kind of sounds like a bird. I think that's all I got.